You know, when I was achieving doing great things, nobody really gave a fuck actually. Like, I wasn't trending like this. But because this one involves Indoda, you guys are gonna spread it like wildfire. You guys are gonna spread it as much as you can to the point where even the president himself probably has seen this. Ngenxa yendoda. But when I was doing the good things, graduating, getting my first apartment, and everything else that I did that was good, it was not shared to this point. But because this one is bad publicity and it involves a man, a bad guy, or whatever, and you guys don't even care about the explanation, and you guys don't care about what really happened and why that happened, because it's something bad. You guys don't mind sharing. You guys don't mind hitting a share button and sharing the.
And this, Batsandi Bomkosi, is the video that Vuyokazi is complaining about, that you guys are busy spreading it. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And I hope you will stay. Batsandi Bomkosi defending Vuyokazi at this current point and time. It's like fighting World War III. Because what do you mean? Vuyokazi posted a video of herself in a club, Batsandi Bomkosi, kissing a man in quotation, as she has already explained that it's a random man. And then posted a video of Vuyokazi twerking for this guy, Batsandi Bomkosi. This guy is known to be the level 0.1 Jonasi of Venda. He's a DJ. His name is Tendo Zonzo Batsari. And people are not happy with this. They're saying that why is Vuyokazi doing this after all the rebranding that she did, only for her to find herself in such a position. It is also alleged where Batsari Uguti Uzonzo Lona, he has a girlfriend, and the girlfriend name is Hazel. Ay, kuningi, but because what do you mean? These are the screenshots, conversations between Uzonzo and his girlfriend, Batsabomkosi, of which he calls his wife. My wife, I am very sorry. I don't want to explain myself. I am sorry. I was drunk. Things happened the way it was. All I can do. I am sorry. And I will love us to have a meeting together. Ngapha this guy was posting on his Instagram, Batsarbomkosi, that body is what? Body is tea, referring to Vuyokazi. Hayi kuningi at this point. I mean, Vuyokazi just survived Mpumelelo Mseleko only to find herself in another Mpumelelo Mseleko 0.0 hands. Aisha, kuningi impela. And people are just confused. Why did she even do that whole rebranding only for her to be involved with another Jonase? Please do leave your comments down below. What do you think about this trending issue? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Bye.